Is this the best cordless impact wrench you can get for under $200? Let's check it out. So right here we have the Craftsman 1/2-inch drive Brushless RP cordless impact wrench. So this is the best one that you can get for the price. It's the top of the line Craftsman impact wrench. It has 1,000 foot-pounds of breakaway torque, 700 foot-pounds of fastening torque, and a 1/2-inch drive. It's a nice unit. It comes with a tool, battery, and a bag, all for just $179. So on the back, we see more specs. It goes up to 2,000 RPMs, 2,600 no-load RPMs. The tool is 8.76 inches long and weighs 5 pounds tool only. So let's, without further ado, pop this open and see what we got inside. So right out the box, we are presented with the bag. It's a pretty nice construction bag. It's got some heavy-duty reinforced rivets on it, so it's not going to be super cheap garbage. We then have our instruction manual right here. We have the charger. So this is going to be your fast charger, so that's really nice to see. It's the fast charger for the V20. We also have 4-amp-hour battery, brand new, right there. And this one is made in China. Right out the box, it has 1 bar of battery life. And last but not least, we have the tool itself. So right here she is. This is the Craftsman 1/2-inch drive 1,000 foot-pound impact wrench. This is really nice, just right off the bat. The build quality just feels great. It's pretty good weight. It's not very long, so the tool isn't going to be overbearing when you're in a tight space. It also has 3 different speed settings, which is nice right there. You can see that. It goes 1, 2, and 3, and also has a little bit of a utility light there. So let's pop a battery in right there, and we'll pop that so you can see it's got some light. So that's pretty nice. Once the battery's in it, the weight, the balance of it is actually a lot nicer. It feels a lot more balanced, obviously, because you're gonna have the battery right there, but also the top of the tool isn't too heavy. Like, I'm holding this pretty comfortably. The grip feels great in the hand. Everything feels pretty nice. As far as build quality, it's got a rubber overmold grip on all ends, so you're not gonna be dropping it, especially when you get adhesive, different kinds of grease, all kinds of stuff on there, it'll be fine. It's got a metal construction by the Anvil. Obviously, you're gonna see your hog ring design, which is standard for most of these tools. You're also going to see your metal housing right there with some rubber to prevent it from sliding away, which is also nice to see. So let's grab a socket real quick. This is a nice old snap-on from back in the day. You don't see many of these anymore. All right, so let's pop this on the tool. So we got the socket on there. Let's just put it on speed 3. So it comes to a pretty good stop when you let off the trigger. It's not really over revving or anything like that, which is nice when you're doing something a little bit more precise. You don't want to over tighten it or loosen it too much and have the bolt fall out or whatever you're dealing with. So the hog ring does have a pretty tight grip on the socket. This obviously is not an impact socket, so it's not made for this, but you can see that's really on there. Oh, almost hurt myself taking it off. So there you can see that's pretty difficult to get off, but the impact sockets are a lot easier to remove on this tool. It's just I don't have them with me, so it's just grabbing that one real quick. But overall, the fit and finish is nice build quality. Feels pretty solid, and I already have one of these, and I've seen just how much power it has. This thing can take anything off. I was removing a flywheel nut the other day with it, pops it right off. I was removing lawnmower blade bolts, pops them right off. Like, no effort. It's such a time saver, such a nice thing to have, especially if you're working on cars, lawnmowers, tractors, anything like that. Having this with charger and a 4-amp-hour battery and a bag for $179, I can't think of a better deal on the market. So when it comes down to it, I really recommend this tool. I've used one for about a year for working on the truck, working on removing lug nuts, working on lawnmowers, all kinds of stuff, and it's really never failed me, never left me in a pinch or anything. The build quality is great. It's been durable. It's lasted drops, hitting into parts on the machines, all kinds of stuff, and it's been great. It's been an amazing tool to have. So I wanted to pick up one for myself because my brother has one and I don't have access to it all the time. So I wanted to get one for myself for the shop when I'm working on small engines, when I'm working on cars, whatever it may be. It's really a great tool to have around. Saves me a lot of time when I'm trying to break something off with a lot of torque, using a breaker bar, using some crazy contraption that I have to make. This thing is a lifesaver, and that's why I went and picked one up at Lowe's. $179 with a 4-amp-hour battery, a fast charger, and a bag. So you really can't beat it. So let's see just how easy it is to store everything in the bag. We'll throw this in here. We'll take our charger, throw that in there, and everything zips up really nicely. So all that for $179 right in the bag. You really can't beat it for the price. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I got all kinds of Craftsman videos, all kinds of dirt bike videos, lawnmower repair, truck repair, anything you can think of tool related or outdoor related. We have it right here at Everyday Tools, so don't forget to go check out those other videos. Leave a comment below. Would you buy this for $179? Is it a good deal? I think it's a steal at that price, but if you guys think differently, don't forget to let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for this product. I will leave it down below, and if you buy it, I do get a small commission from Amazon, but it helps support the channel, so why not? So thanks again, guys, for watching. God bless, keep us in your prayers, and we'll see you in the next one.